The Kingdom of Jesus Christ, or KOJC camp, has denied anew that the alleged angels of death exist, but the Philippine National Police, or PNP, says a former member of the alleged hit squad has confirmed that such a group exists. The PNP added the alleged former Angels of Death member even confirmed the group is being used to scare the alleged victims of sexual abuse. No further details were given on the supposed witness for security reasons. While for their part, the KOJC camp maintained its leader, Pastor Apollo Quiboloy, does not have a private army.
Ang amin lamang alam is marami siyang angel warriors. Tama na, no? Nag-surrender na si Pastor, no? And to add more cases, unfounded cases against him, would not only be unjust, it would also be immoral.
May mga specific na cases siyang ibinigay, but sa ngayon hindi mo na po pwede nating maibigay. Unang-una, so as to protect his security and of course yung safety ng kanyang pamilya.